back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Some free products that I received. I got a box from Influenster, something from PinchMe as well. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. My name is Dee. I really do appreciate it. If you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate that as well. Okay, so PinchMe is pinchme.com. Info will always be linked down below. It's basically a site that you just go and do random surveys or questionnaires, and then they will determine if they want to send you something. I did receive my first full-size product from PinchMe not too long ago, and it was an Olay skincare product. So that was really exciting. But this does have the information here. If you are interested, pinchme.com, it is all free. It just tells you what to do, take a picture, share it to Instagram and Facebook if you have it, tag friends, and that's pretty much it. So what they sent me is Compeed Advanced Blister Care, instant pain relief, long-lasting protection, faster healing. It says it comes with 2 active cushions in medium size, and it says relieves pressures and prevents painful rubbing. Let's see. Breathable and blends in with skin. So I guess these are for pain relief, like if you maybe have some type of sore or something on the back of your heel. That is what they look like right there. I've never tried these. I'm sure they will come in handy though, because I have a couple pairs of shoes that definitely give me blisters on the back of my heels. So my husband may want these as well, so that's fine. Thank you, PinchMe, for those. Definitely let you guys know what we think and how they worked. Okay, the other thing here that this is from Influenster and L'Oreal Paris. And they sent me 3 products, which I'm so excited and grateful for. I'm always super grateful when I get full-size products. And it's the L'Oreal Paris skincare. So the first thing that they did send me is they're all full sizes. This is the Age Perfect Cell Renewal Anti-Aging Moisturizer Sunscreen. With SPF 25 sunscreen. It says, reveal millions of new cells, smooth wrinkles, firm and revitalize, antioxidant recovery complex. It says anti-aging, and that's based on skin cell exfoliation when used as directed with other sun protection measures. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce right there. And I will be starting these actually tonight. Well, this one I'll use tomorrow because it is evening, but I will be starting the evening one and the eye cream tonight when I wash my face. Very pretty packaging. That is what it looks like. It's gold and black. Sorry about the fingerprints and the... Let's open it and see what it looks like. So it's very, very thick, which is going to be great for my dry skin. You can see it looks empty, but it's just from being in the box. Has a very pleasant smell. Let's just try a little bit on our hand. I'm so excited to use these. I'm definitely getting up there in age. I'm 41 now, and this came at a perfect time because I'm pretty much done with my other products that I'm using. So that's great. It just smells really soft, really pleasant. There's a scent, but it's not like overpowering. It does feel really silky, really nice. So I think I'm going to really enjoy that. I don't know if you would enjoy it if you're oily, honestly, because of the texture. It does say that it is suitable for sensitive skin, which I do have. So that's awesome. Okay, the next item that they sent me. Get the eye cream as well. Anti-aging eye cream, dark circles, crow's feet, bags, puffiness, creepy lids, antioxidant recovery complex, and it is a full size as well. That is what the packaging looks like. And let's see how the product looks like. And I will be using this tonight when I wash my face. And I'll try to leave the prices down below, like if you were to go out and get them. So this is a 0.5 fluid ounce. I don't know that I would say this is a full size. I'm assuming it is, but it may not be. But it's super cute. I definitely would say this is most likely a full size. Most eye creams are not as big as the other things. Let's just see what it feels like. Just took a little dab. Actually, let me go on this side because I already... So this one's a lot thinner. It's not as thick as the last one. Same scent, which is very nice and pleasant. And it does feel a tad tacky. This one did not. Let's see when it dries, but it does feel very hydrating. It does feel really nice. So I think I'm gonna, it feels really silky, really nice. I'm excited for that. Okay, then the last thing that they sent me, let's put that over here, is the anti-aging night moisturizer. It says, reveal millions of new skin cells, smooth, firm, and revitalize. Right there. I have really high hopes for this, and I have been experiencing some lines and things like that in my face, looking a little, and I think it's also because I sleep on my sides, which I know is not that great for the skin. This is what the packaging looks like, just like the daytime one. Let's see what this one's like. So this one also has that thick consistency. It almost looks identical to the last one, except, yeah, it's about the same consistency, I would say. Let's see. I would say it's about the same consistency. I'm really excited because I'm going to use this tonight. So thank you so much, Influenster and L'Oreal, for these products. I really do appreciate it. I cannot wait to tell you guys what I think, especially for those aging ladies here on my channel that are experiencing changes in the skin and all of that. Definitely can't wait. And if I do enjoy this, I will pick it up for my mom because she loves skincare, and I've been sending her a lot of awesome skincare. And she has found some that she likes, but if I like this for myself, I will definitely be picking those up for her. So it just says here, discover our most luxurious skincare range, formulated with a patented antioxidant and vitamin E. Replenish skin's antioxidants day after day to help skin's natural repair process. Millions of new cells are revealed. Skin is visibly younger. Dermatologist tested, suitable for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. That is what the products look like if you want to look them up. So yeah, I'm going to be testing these out. I'm super excited. And I'm very grateful for even things like this because these come in handy. And how would you ever know unless you try them if you need to purchase them or anything like that? So thank you again to PinchMe and Influenster and L'Oreal for these products. I will definitely be updating you guys on how they are working and all of that. And I'll probably do a video of that. And I'll definitely do before pictures. And then like in 2 weeks, I'll let you guys know what I think. But that is everything that I got recently and some free products. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got any of these or if you are excited to try these. Really let me know that down in the comments below. I would love to hear that from you guys. If you did enjoy this video or these types of videos, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love you to subscribe. Definitely helps my channel. So yeah, but this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.